Hi, welcome to Blue Light Software's BAS trading tutorials. This is the second in the series, and we covered the histogram in this tutorial. First tutorial was signals. This one was histogram. So just to review our signals, we have two types of signals. We have next bar and multiple bar. The yellow colored signals, either up or down, represent multiple bars, which means that BAS is predicting that multiple bars will be generated in the direction of the signal. So here it does. They go up. Here they go down. Here it goes up. Here it goes up. So these are good signals. And remember that we say that it may take up to 5 bars before the signal turns and goes in the direction of the signal. So here it took basically 2 bars and then went up. Here it took 2 bars, and then on the 3rd bar it started going down. Here was immediately started going up. Here it immediately started going up. So that's multiple bar signals. Next bar signals. Here's another multiple bar. Here's a down bar, or a next bar signal. It's saying that the next bar is going to go up, and it does. So that's just a review of multiple bar signals. Now we're gonna look at histogram. So let me add the histogram to the chart. And here we go. So first thing you'll notice is that we have tall, white, skinny bars with green, short green fat bars. And we have over here on the left side of your screen, we have tall yellow bars with short red bars. Those are the two groupings that we look for. The taller the bars, the more probability is that a price change is going to occur. And that's what these represent. Reversals of price. So let's just scroll over so we can see some examples here. Here is green here and white. Green and white represent the BAS thinks the price is going to soon go down, and here they do. So green and white, price will go down. Here it does. Yellow and red, like here, price will go up, and it does. Yellow and red, price will go up, it does. Green and white here, price goes down, it does. Yellow and red, up. Yellow and red, up. Green and white, down. So the taller the bars are, the more likely, the more the probability is that the price will go up or down depending on the bars. And the more bars there are, and of that color, and the taller they are, the more probability that the price will change. So this can be used in multiple ways. It can be used to validate a signal. So in this case here, we've got a down signal, which you would expect to have green and white bars. They represent down. So here's green and white bars. So that kind of validates this signal. It says, okay, there's a, that's some strength behind that signal. So here is an up signal. We have yellow and red. So that's a good validation that that signal is going to be good. And it is. Here is green and white, which kind of validates this signal. But this is a next bar signal. and the next bar wasn't down, so that really wasn't a good signal. But if I was playing this, you have to look at these and seeing these green bars here and how tall this one is. I would probably have stayed in this trade even though it went against me here, because I'm pretty sure that the price is going to go down. And sure enough, on the next couple of bars, it does. So I'd have stayed in, or if you stayed in, you would have made money. But anyway, that's whatever. That's neither here nor there. So again, here, red and yellow bars saying that the price is soon going to go up. So that's kind of validating this signal. Price goes up. Green and white, even though this has some red on it, so that's a tough call there. A lot of green and white here, but it tried to go down right away, but it took a couple more bars before it went down. So the histogram can be used, again, that's confirming these signals. It can also be used to get in a signal, or to get in a position and get into a trade without a signal. So if you're willing to assume a little more risk, and you want to make a play, you want to get into a trade, here we've got very tall green bar, or white bar with some green, a lot of 3 in a row. So that's a pretty good signal that the price is going to change. So if we'd have got into a trade here around this area, sure enough it goes down. So we'd have made some money. And here, now we're getting the yellow and red bars. If we'd have got into a trade around here, the price went up, we'd have made money. The same here, yellow and red, if we got in here, it went up, we'd have made some money. Same here, we'd have made a little bit of money. So you can use this as a way to not only validate your trade, your signals, but to get into a trade without a signal. Also, another third way you can use this is if you're looking for stocks that have a signal, which is what you do, then if you see a chart, if you see a stock that's starting to get groups of these bars, yellow and red or white and green, but they haven't generated a signal yet, you can put those on a watch list, because either a signal is going to be generated or the price is going to reverse fairly soon. So you can start watching the stock to see what happens when you start seeing a couple of these bars. So that's a third way to use the histogram, is to put stocks on a watch list. Now, the envelope, which is the next tutorial, is another indicator that helps us validate our signals, and will also let us get into trades without a signal. So it's another very powerful tool that we hope you will take the time to look at that tutorial. And we thank you for joining us for this tutorial, and hope you're starting to get a little excited about our product. We are. So join us for the next one, and thanks for joining again, and have a great day.